Hey, what's up guys, welcome to Innovative Edge Tech YouTube channel, and today we are going to do an unboxing of two items. Basically, one is Sonoff power switch and another is Sonoff S20 socket. Yeah, you heard it correctly, Sonoff power switch and Sonoff S20 socket. So let's get started. Part of the unboxing video, and here we have the Sonoff S20 smart socket basically, and there are 4 types of socket. Basically Sonoff S20 has, one is the US, one is the EU, and another is Chinese, another is UK version. So this is the EU version. EU version also has 2 kinds of socket. One is with the earthing point, another is without the earthing point. So we have got the earthing point one. So let's see what's on the box. So I'm directly going to back side. Here it says model Sonoff S20, input voltage 90 volt, 264 volt, AC 50 to 60 hertz. So that's good actually. So that's good actually, and if you see the max load is 250 volt and it is 10 ampere. So friends, this is a 10 ampere socket. It's same like your Sonoff basic switch, and 2.4 gigahertz, and material is ABS. Obviously all these materials are ABS. And if you can see, this is the S20 EU type. I told you it's EU type and type E. So E is for earthing and F is without earthing. So I have got that E because of the earthing. So in India we generally use a lot of things, but we don't put the earth wire, and this socket has an earth socket, earth pin on that, so it can be very easy for your computers and all. So let's see what's inside the box. Sonoff smart Wi-Fi socket 1, quick starter guide, and smartphone not included. I don't know smartphone why they have mentioned it here. So made and designed in China, and obviously the ratings and Wi-Fi and details and all. And on the front you can see the Ewelink support, IFTTE, and Amazon Alexa, Nest, Google Assistant. And on the side of the box you can see Alexa enables you to switch on and off. Google Assistant enable you, all that is there, IFTTE. And on this side you can see smart link technology, remote control, timing scheduler, share control, and smart scene. So as you can see, this one good option is here, the share control. This is actually on some of the Sonoff devices, and another Sonoff devices doesn't has this. And as I give you some tip on devices, and this one for this socket I have one tip. So whenever you order this socket, order with an earthing point. That is very essential, and without that earthing point you will not be able to run your devices correctly. It may go wrong and defaulty. So let's unbox it and see what's inside. So obviously the packet is little bit damaged, but we'll still see what's inside. So I've opened the packet from back side, not from the front side, and I can see this is the warranty card. This is the user manual, Chinese and English. Yes, and then we have the socket itself, and the socket, as I told you, has a third pin. You have the third pin here. You have to just insert your pin like this. Any spare pin you can insert it, and then you can use it. And then on the front part it is like this. Now many will have a question, so if it is like this, how can we insert the plug? It will actually not hold correctly or something like that. So I will tell you one thing for my friends. So if you see this point, this is actually corresponding to the earthing point right here, this one. And similarly this is another point. So this is actually the holder, the clip holder for this one, and this is one socket where you can insert your pin, and then you can take it for the earthing purpose. So I'll keep this aside. So let's see the overall look. So a light will glow here. This is the on off, manual on off button, and the socket looks very firm and it's a very good built, very good build. It says Sonoff S20 EU type E, and input 90 to 250 volt AC. Max load is obviously 2200 watt, that is 10 ampere. So more than 10 ampere it will not support. And coming on to the top side, screws are there through which you can open. So as I discussed about this thing, so we have a solution for this. I'll just show you a couple of things how we can go ahead and do it. So I have some other stuffs here just to show you how we can use this one. The first one is the simple plug. This we can plug in, and obviously this will not have the earthing wire, so you have to connect the earthing wire, and this plugs in very nicely and firmly. This is an old spare with me, so your Sonoff socket can be used with this. And another thing is, you can have this kind of socket ordered from Amazon or AliExpress, and this actually fits very well. But another problem is, this is a travel adapter with the US point, so you will have questions if this doesn't fit into your. So I will tell you, this does fits into this one and it fits correctly. So this is another solution which you can take. Another thing is, you can have the adapters like this, where you will find this in APC, this one old one. You can take out this pin, you can remove this pin, and then you can use these two pins with this socket. Even you can make a combination like this. If you can able to take out this pin, and then you will able to use all the types of sockets. So this is basically a solution for using this kind of socket. This will come with a hole inside, and most of our sockets will not fit correctly. I'll just show you how my spike busters will fit in, if it is allowed to fit in that. So I have my spike buster, basically the power strip, and this is the plug for it, and obviously it doesn't fit, correct? But with this solution it does fit. Okay, the problem is the earth point. Obviously this is the one for the US one. If you buy for the India, it will actually fit in. So I have to order for India this one, and this is actually very good device. You get this in on Amazon. I will share all the links of all the stuffs which I am using in this video, so you can check out the link description for this video, even for the Sonoff basic switch and Sonoff devices and smart plug and power switches also. So you need to have this kind of solution for using this smart socket. So that's all, my friend. This is with the earthing pin, and I will always suggest you to use the socket, to order the socket with an earthing pin, so that in future you don't face any issues. You can run it without that earthing thing, but it is actually required. And this is the same pin which is going till here. This is the earthing point, and that's the deal here. You can put the pin like this here, and then you can use it. So that's all, my friend, for this video. Please keep watching and like our videos. Please subscribe our channel and do like, share our videos. Thanks. This is Vivek signing off from Innovative Edge Technologies. Thank you. So now that we have unboxed Sonoff S20 smart plug, so we'll go and configure in Ewelink app. I'm making this video with my hand, mobile in my hand, so it may shake and it may be blurry. So this is our mobile, and I have opened my Ewelink app. I'll go to the adding the device. So we'll go in the quick pairing mode, and this is the quick pairing mode for the Sonoff S20 smart plug. So as you know, for all Sonoff products we have to click it and keep it for 5 seconds. So the LED is blinking on this, but it should be blinking in a fast manner like this, as you can see. So we'll clip it and we'll press it and keep it for 5 seconds. So now that we have kept it in 5 seconds and it has started blinking in quick pairing mode, so it has already got in quick pairing mode. So now we'll enable it in quick pairing mode and we'll see, we'll click on next. So now that we have clicked next, we'll actually have to enter our Wi-Fi password and we have to go ahead. So I'll enter the Wi-Fi password. So now that I have entered my password and click next, it is actually going and installing it. So basically you can see it is trying to register it. And my friends, the Sonoff smart plug is the type E plug and it is with the earthing point. So it is actually good for the Indian plugs and sockets. So now that it has gone in quick pairing mode and it's trying to register from the device, we'll see how much time it takes and it registers. So you can see it is in pairing mode only and it is giving its request. So it is actually registering it now. So now that it has registered, we will actually rename it and we'll keep it smart plug. So once it is registered, you can see in Ewelink app the smart plug has come online. My other Sonoff devices are actually currently off. So now that you have seen that it is switched on, it will be steady green and now we can switch it on and switch it off. So I have connected nothing on this, but you can see the clicking sound over the device. So as you can see from the light, when I turn it on it will be blue and when I turn it off it will be blue, will be gone. So switching on, blue light comes, switching off, blue light goes. So yes my friends, it's working fine. The same things are here, the timer is there, loop timer is there, and obviously our favorite thing, the schedule is there. So this is actually good and this smart plug does work nicely and it is actually up to the mark. Only the problem is it doesn't support 16 ampere, which I thought it would have support. It's only support 10 ampere, so max load will be again for the 10 ampere. So let's test it with Alexa also, and we'll actually give the command on we'll actually try to discover the device on Alexa. So basically we'll go to the smart home section.
Sorry, I don't know that.
So now that we have gone to the smart home section, we are actually discovering devices. So now we can see the smart plug has appeared here and we'll test through the app first. So yeah, it is turning on, the blue light is on, as you can see. Yeah, blue light is off. Now let's give a command and see from Alexa. First we'll try from Amazon Music. Turn on smart plug. Yeah, it does turn on. So now we'll give a command to our Echo. Alexa, turn on smart plug. So it has already turned on. Alexa, turn off smart plug.
Okay.
So as you can see, it is working with Alexa without any issues, as all Sonoff products do. So that's all my friend for this video. This smart plug is indeed very good purchase, and from AliExpress it's cost less than $14, and from Flipkart and Amazon it will cost you around 2300. So it's your wish from where you have to buy. And remember, my friends, from AliExpress you have to buy it original. There are very much duplicate items. So that's all for this video. Bye, and thanks for watching and sharing of this video. Thank you once again.